Today we're going to create a semicircle macrame knot. Start by creating 2 lark's head knots to give you 4 strands. Move the far left hand strand out of the way. Take the second rope and pull it towards the direction you want it to go in. We're now going to tie 2 double half-hitch knots with the remaining 2 strands on the right hand side. Taking the third rope, wrap it up, round and through the loop and pull it tight. Then wrap it around the original rope again to tie a second loop. Take the 4th strand and repeat the same 2 steps. Now we're going to tie a lark's head knot. Take the remaining strand up and over your pole and then pull the strand through that loop you've created. That creates half of your lark's head knot. Push the strand up around the pole and pull the strand through the loop you've created. Take another strand and create a lark's head knot. Thread the rope on the far right hand side out of your way. Take the second strand and pull it in the direction you're wanting to go, and now create more half-hitch knots. Remember there's 2 knots with each strand. Create another lark's head knot on the far right hand side. You may need to move the knots around a little to space them out more evenly. Take another strand and create another lark's head knot on the far left hand side and repeat the process over again. You will find as the semicircle gets bigger, you will need to add in extra strands as you go along. Where there becomes an obvious gap in between two ropes, take an additional thread and create a lark's head knot. Then thread this onto the rope that you're using as your semicircle. Finish every row by tying another lark's head knot. Repeat the steps over until you've created the semicircle the size you desire. As it gets bigger, you'll find that you'll need to tie in more strands each time. And there you have it, a macrame semicircle or semi-lunar pattern. Thanks for watching, make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next videos.